Hi, my name is Dylan Foltz, and today I'll be giving a presentation discussion board on a few of the topics that we've gone over in class this semester. The first topic was Wilson's dichotomy, which explains the difference between politics and administration. Wilson felt like it was pretty important to separate the two, and that created the study of public administration. And that separated it from politics, which was um, big for the time. Next topic is federalism. And from the class this semester, I remembered three types of federalism. The first being marble cake federalism, which basically is, I guess you can explain it as like the state, federal, and local governments are all kind of meshed in responsibilities. And the next example of federalism would be the layer cake, which is pretty much clear definitions between federal, state, and local responsibilities. The next example would be picket fence federalism, which states as well that the national, state, and local governments have their own responsibilities with certain topics. So they all have their own, I guess, responsibilities in certain areas. Next topic is bureaucracy, and for me, I've always saw bureaucracy as kind of like a pyramid. You always have to work your way up to the next level, and there's kind of like a hierarchy system that goes along with bureaucracy. Leadership's going to be the next topic I talk about, which is very important because for the basis of the goal, I feel like a leader should be lead by example and not be, just like a boss that just tells people what to do and doesn't actually do it themselves. A leader is someone who gets down and dirty. I don't know, does everything that everyone else would do. So I think you'd get a lot more respect as that type of leadership role. Decision making in public administration is pretty important. I think you have to find a commonality in the goal between a lot of people, and that's where you should make the decision. You should try and find something that everybody's striving for or um, trying to achieve, and then for the betterment of everybody, make that type of decision. And that concludes my presentation this week. Hope you guys enjoyed it and hope you guys have a good week.